వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. సో ఇప్పటిదాకా నేను ఏబిపిఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ నేను ఇస్తూ వస్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఇప్పటిదాకా 6 రోజులు నేను మీకు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఈరోజు 7th డే అనమాట. సో ఈరోజు కూడా కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నలకు సమాధానాలు మనం చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈరోజు, విచ్ ఆర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ బుక్ బై చిలుకూరి వీరభద్రరావు గేవ్ ఆంధ్ర ద లాంగ్ pageant of their glorious past, which carried the lamp of knowledge to the remotest corners of Andhra, creating a new awakening and provincial spirit among the people? Answer: the history of Andhras. Next, when was the Andhra province issue was discussed in the subjects committee of the 21st Krishna Guntur district conference held at Nidadavolu? Answer: May 1912. Next, a conference to discuss about the matters other than politics was held at Bandar in 1908 under the leadership of Jonna Vittula Gurunadham. Next, when was the first Andhra conference held under the presidency of Baya Narsimheswara Sharma on 26th and 27th May 1913? Answer: Bapatla. Next, 89th, who was the founder president of Rajamandri Hitakarni Samaj? Answer: Kandukuri Veeresilingam Pantulu. Next, the period 1921 to 1937 marked by further achievements by the Andhra Mahasabha in its efforts to achieve a separate Andhra province. These achievements include, so manaku ఇక్కడ the non-cooperation movement and the non-tax campaign launched by the Gandhiji, vigorously followed by the Andhra leaders. Second option, the establishment of Andhra University. సో రెండు కూడా మనకు రైట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్ చూడండి, who exposed the social civils through his writings, the publication of the first edition of the Kanyashulkam in 1897, which was a landmark? Answer: Gurajada Apparao. Next, the last session of Mahasabha held at Guntur on 13th and 14th January 1951 under the presidency of G. Hari Sarvottam Rao was the 25th session. Next, who preceded the Andhra Mahasabha conference held at Madras in 1938? Answer: Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Next, name the first newspaper to publish several articles reminding the Andhras of the necessity for a separate province. Answer: Krishna Patrika. Next, where was the first Andhra Social Reformer Conference organized in 1908? Answer: Masulipattnam. Next, when was Bipin Chandra Pal toured Andhra for propagating the ideals of the Swadeshi movement? Answer: April 1907. Next, who passed unanimously a resolution on 30 March 1938 for the formation of a separate state, Andhra province? Answer: Madras Legislative Assembly. Next, the Andhra movement largely molded and influenced right from its inception by which movement? Answer: Beheri movement. సో నెక్స్ట్ కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన మరికొన్ని ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. సో హూ స్టార్టెడ్ ద లైబ్రరీ మూమెంట్? ఆన్సర్: అయ్యంకి వెంకట రామణయ్య. నెక్స్ట్, హూ ఇన్ 1922 on the integration of Andhra districts into a separate province said that owing to the diverse elements which it comprised, the Madras presidency was unsuitable as an administrative unit? Answer: Jayanti Ramaya Pantulu. Next, name the newspaper published from Guntur in its issue of 19th January 1910 for the first time gave a call for unity among the Andhras? Answer: the Deshabhimani. Next, the second Andhra conference held at Vijayawada on 11th and 12th April 1914 under the presidency of Nyapati Subbarao Pantulu. Next, when was the separate Central Committee for Andhras called the Andhra Provincial Congress Committee sanctioned? Answer: 1917. Next, which agreement between the people of Rayalaseema and those of coastal districts was the major achievement of the Andhra Mahasabha, a positive step towards the unifying the Telugu people? Answer: Sribag Pact. Next, which conference held at Vijayawada on 9th of January 1952 decided to start Satyagraha on 12th of February 1952 for the achievement of the Andhra state. ఆన్సర్ ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్ర స్థాపన సత్యాగ్రహ సంఘ్. సో ఇవి నేను మీకు అందిస్తున్న కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నలు ఈరోజు. అండ్ మరికొన్ని ప్రశ్నలతో మరి కలుద్దాం. నమస్తే, జై హింద్.